Hi, I'm Jay Iyer. For this week's smartphone patent homework assignment, I'm going to talk about the Apple Samsung patent case that will be going in front of the Supreme Court. In March 2016, the Supreme Court announced that it will take up a lengthy patent battle between Apple and rival smartphone maker Samsung, a case that could help determine just how much companies have to pay out if they rip off patented design elements from other products. This will be the first design patent case to make it to the Supreme Court in more than 120 years. In a statement, Samsung said it hopes that the justices' review, quote, can lead to a fair interpretation of patent law that will support creativity and reward innovation. Apple declined to comment. So this case dates back to a 2011 dispute where Apple accused Samsung of copying some basic design features of the iPhone in Samsung's competing devices. A jury sided with Apple in 2011, initially awarding the company more than $1 billion. The figure was eventually reduced in appeals, but a panel of judges upheld an award of more than $500 million in damages to Apple last year. The damages basically amounted to Samsung forfeiting all of its profits from the devices that allegedly infringed on Apple's patents, based on the court's interpretation of the law covering design patents that allows a patent holder to go after an infringer's total profit. Samsung agreed to pay the figure last December, but on the condition it could get back money in the event of a successful challenge or appeal. Then, Samsung petitioned the Supreme Court to review the case, and the justices now have to answer the question, does Samsung have to give up all of its money it made from devices that infringed on some of Apple's design patents, or just money it made from parts of the devices that infringed on the patents? So in conclusion, this has been a very exciting case to follow, with large implications for technology patents as a whole. It will be interesting to see how the Supreme Court rules, especially considering that the Supreme Court only has 8 judges on the bench currently. If there is a tie, the previous ruling and damage payments will be upheld. Thank you.